Hello guys, again you're with me. My name is Rahul Singh, and in this video we'll learn about the website, how we can make the website and why it is required. This is our first point and we'll cover these 7 points. Okay, why website is required, example for identification, 3 things are required: domain, hosting, WordPress, and how we can make the website finally. So our first point is why website is required. See, website, if you're a blogger, you're doing any blogging, you have any news channel, if you have any kind of business, your father is in business, you can do lot of interaction with the customers. Okay, and if you want to say something and your customers are not listening to you, okay, so that's why you can use any website. So medium is good and the reach is very high through the website. Okay, so website is required. Second thing is example of identification, example for identification, sorry. So I'll give you my website example and other examples also. See, this is one website, host advice. So this kind of website will have 3 or 4 things, like one is name of website, second thing is page, so many pages are there, then this kind of theme. Okay, I'll show you one more example for my website. This is my website, moneytechcurrency.com, the name, this is the logo, this is the tagline, these are the pages, and this is the theme. Theme means which kind of background, which kind of pattern you will use. Okay, so that kind of theme. So many kind of themes are available in the market, so any kind of theme you can use. Okay, now third thing is 3 things are required. Okay, so first thing is domain. Okay, what is domain? I'll show you in this also. Suppose we'll take this example, moneytechcurrency.com. so the name of the site is actually called is domain. Okay, like here hostadvice.com, this is a domain because this is the address of the website. Okay, in this case bluehost.com, this is the website domain. Okay, anything you can take. youtube.com, this youtube.com is website name and this is called a domain. Okay, so how we can take this domain name, because suppose I want to make any website, I need to have a domain name. Okay, so for domain name there are many websites who can provide us domain name. Okay, so what is the easy thing? If you search the Google, okay, domain name. Okay, so here if you see godaddy.com, ionos.com, onlydomains.com, so many sites are there which is providing the domain name. Okay, so first we'll go, suppose godaddy.com. Okay, so in this case the page will open like this, and don't confuse, this logo has been changed. Previously the person who is having the straight hairs, that is the logo, but now it has been changed. Okay, so suppose if you want your name like your domain. Okay, so my name is Rahul, so I'll choose Rahul next gen. Okay, I'll search. So this site will tell you that is available or not available. Okay, so Rahul nextgen is available .com. So see, we will prefer the .com because .com is preferably worldwide acceptable. Okay, .net, .org are also available, but you can prefer .com. Okay, so AD 3.99, so it may be Indian rupees 60 to 70 rupees or 80 rupees. Okay, so this kind of money it will show here. So it can be in INR also. If I will change from here India and currency, suppose currency I will change. First I need to change India. Okay, then suppose it is showing 199 rupees. Okay, so add to cart and continue to cart. So you can purchase directly from here. It is very easy. Give the details of your credit card, debit card, and you can purchase this name. Okay, rahulnextgen.com. This is very easy. If you don't know, I have given the video, and already in the video I have shown detail wise how we can get the domain, how we can get the hosting. Okay, for both the points I have given the details video. So please go through, and that detailed video and the link I will provide in this description also, so you can directly go to and go to the video, and you can learn how to get the domain through purchasing details. Okay, I cannot purchase every time, that's why I am skipping this. Okay, so this is how we can get the rahulnextgen.com. Okay, I have already purchased moneytechcurrency.com, and one more I have purchased the rahulnextgeneration.com, so I'll go directly from there. Okay, now second thing, this domain I have taken. Okay, and the second thing is hosting. What is hosting actually? Hosting means if you have a name and address of your home. Okay, but in home so many things are there, like luggages, okay, furniture. So for keeping the furniture, space is required. Okay, so like this in website, in your website so much data is there. Okay, customer details are there, so much files are there. So for keeping the files and the data, you need to have one hosting site. Hosting site means so many big companies are there in the world which is keeping your data in very safe condition on the servers. Okay, so hosting is like this only. So if you search over there in the net, like you will write top 10 cheap hosting sites. Okay, so it will open. So fastcomet.com is hosting provider, Bluehost is hosting provider, A2 hosting is hosting provider, Hostlink, this is very cheap also. Okay, so there are so many companies which is providing the hosting. So in this condition, you can go through each and every one, you can compare the prices, and you can take the hosting from that. Okay, so I'll prefer Bluehost because I was doing from 1 year from this also. Okay, so if you open Bluehost, so if you open the bluehost.com, so write it here, bluehost.com, this page will like this. Okay, it will open like this. It is starting from 2.95 per month dollar. Okay, get started. So when you will give suppose this page will open. Okay, so it is showing 3 or 4 plans, like basic plan, plus plan, choice plan, pro plan. Okay, so basic plan we will choose. In this one website is there, 50 GB SSD storage, and the very important thing, that free SSL certificate is there. Okay, this is required for each and every website. Okay, why it is required, I'll make one video for this particular point. Okay, this is really very important, otherwise your website will be closed. Okay, suppose we will select this plan. So it will ask like create a new domain, because it is giving one free domain also. And if you have already, so suppose I have already one, so I can write it over here also, and if I don't have, I can write here also, Rahul Next Gen. If I will write here, okay, so it will show first it is available or not available. So it is showing the domain rahulnextgen.com is available. Okay, so we need to fill our name, business name, country, everything, the details. It will ask details, we will fill the details, and we will purchase that hosting. Okay, that hosting price it is showing like this for 36 months. You can do it for less terms also. Okay, so for this also, say it is asking the card number, this number, this number. Okay, so you can directly purchase. So you can free for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year plans. Okay, so this is also very easy. For this also we have made one video, and this video link I'll provide in the description. So you'll get the hosting. Okay, then what is the WordPress? Okay, so WordPress, I'll show you. site I have made through the WordPress. See, for making the site you need to have the knowledge for C++, C, Java, Linux, HTML, whatever the languages are available in the worldwide. Okay, so that language I don't know. Okay, but I have taken the support from WordPress, because WordPress is having already prepared templates, already prepared themes, so we can choose the themes, and so many lakhs of themes are available, lakhs of patterns are available, lakhs of templates are available, so we can choose any template and we can make the directly. Why we should go for the time waste of like making the new website, and why we can hire the developer? Okay, so directly we can make the website from here. Okay, so I have already account in WordPress.com. Okay, so I'll continue with that. Okay, account you can create very easy. Just it'll ask for the your website name, whatever the domain name what we have purchased from the godaddy.com. Simply it will ask, simply you will put that and you can make it. Okay, so this is WordPress.com. Okay, so if you have given the your domain name here, it will show here my site WordPress. Okay, you can click over here. This is my website, that how much traffic, because I have opened the new one. Okay, this is the traffic is very low also. Okay, so okay, so this will be the page of WordPress.com. WordPress.com. So it will show here in the left side, this your site will be there, moneytechcurrency.com, and nothing will open because till now you have not made the site. Okay, from this example I will show you how can I make the website. So first thing, to make the website, first thing we need to have one appearance, how the website will be look like. Okay, so in this, if you have idea, then okay, you don't have the idea, we are learning here. So this is Bluehost. So because we have taken the hosting from Bluehost, so it will show the Bluehost hosting. Then dashboard, it will show, this is the dashboard. Okay, this is home, and these are the posts. Like in this any post you can do on your website. Okay, so first thing is, so many options are there. Okay, but we need to have one appearance first. Okay, so we will click on the appearance. In appearance we will click, then themes, customize, widgets, menus, premier themes editor will come. Okay, so premier we don't want, we'll make the theme first. Click on the themes. Okay, when you open the themes, see these are the free themes. Okay, themes details are there. So how your page will be look like. Okay, so if you see, this is my theme what I have purchased from, not purchased directly, this is free. Okay, this I have taken. So many themes are there here, this also, this also. If you customize, then also you can do this live preview. This preview we can see from here. Okay, I have shown already that which kind of my website will be there, but see I have choose this one now, so my website will be look like this. Okay, so these are the pages, this is logo, this is actually given by the theme, and these are the postings what I have done. Okay, see, these are the postings, and these are the widgets. Okay, widgets means like we are not doing anything, but it is shown actually through the widgets actually like currency. So on the daily basis currency is changing. Okay, we are not doing anything, we are not changing, but we are watching each and every day. So automatically the widgets will show. Like mobile also you have the widgets, like the same, that widget I have put it over there. Okay, so in Bitcoin daily, this is live widget actually. Okay, so this is changing every day. XRP cost is this one, Bitcoin cost is this one. So every day you need not to do anything, but it is coming automatically. Okay, so widgets on the right hand side, these are the things what we can change. Okay, because these are our posts. Okay, these are the pages like home, blogger area, crypto market, free downloads. See, suppose I will click on the free downloads, because I have already made this website, that's why it is easy. Okay, otherwise in your website if you will look like, then only this logo will come if you have given, otherwise pages will come, otherwise all the things will not come, because this I have given already. It will be blank in your website. Okay, but theme will be same. Okay, so for active and publish I can push this button, but I will not do it because I have choose other one already. Okay, so for appearances, here we have seen the themes, customize widgets. Okay, widgets also, minus also. So if you customize also, that option is also available. Okay, now after themes, when we have choose the theme, after themes plugins are very important. Okay, because the widgets and the what I have shown to you, like currency converter, everything. So one example I will give you. So plugins, add new. Okay, because I am showing you how you can do add new. So here so many plugins will come first. Okay, like if you want to give widget for currency converter. Okay, see, WP little light for Amazon. Okay, install now. This is the option. More details also you can do. Okay, so it will show description, installation, FAQ like this. Okay, so if you have WooCommerce products also on Amazon, that also it is helpful. Okay, so it will change the currency. Okay, if you install like this, then it will show the same thing what I have shown in my website in this condition, like currency converter. Okay, and crypto price live. Okay, so in this, these are the dashboard, these are the posts. Okay, like how we can write on our website. Okay, add new. I'll show one example quickly. See, add new post. Okay, so this, just see carefully. I'll write first title, like how we can make website. Okay, this is our title. Add media means upload files, the pictures. Okay, so that page, that pic will come here. Okay, here you can provide your heading in the post. See, already title we have given here. I'll give heading. So heading, title, heading will be very high. Heading 2 I'll give like post identification. This is suppose heading, and these are the paragraphs. Then automatically it will go to paragraph. Okay, here I'll write something. My name is Rahul Singh. I'll help in the post writing skills. Okay, so the readability, it is showing green. Okay, so post is required 3 or 4 things. Okay, first thing is title, second thing is your content. What are you writing over here? Okay, so you can change any font, any link you can give here, paragraph, the font you can change, pattern you can change. Okay, last thing see is this is meta description. Okay, so meta description, if the Google, okay, how your website will be in the Google page. Okay, how we can make the website. This I have written over there. Please provide a meta description, because no description I have given. Okay, so here in this content I'll write here, this will provide idea to make the website, suppose. Okay, then in the right side, if you can see, so many things are there. Draft, edit, save draft also you can do, either if you don't have the time. Okay, publish immediately also available. So readability is good, but SEO, as you may, search engine optimization is not good. Okay, because this is example only. Now publish, and these are the categories. Okay, these are the categories like pages. Okay, bloggers area, crypto, because in the website, if you can see here the pages are available. Okay, so what content, which kind of content you are giving, you can distribute in this. Okay, how to make that I will teach you. Okay, so you can publish from. Then if I'll open my website, then it will be shown here. See, this post we have given now, so it is showing here. Okay, if I'll open this, this post will open. Okay, so it is showing my name is Rahul Singh, I'll help in the post writing skills. Okay, so this is the just an example. You can write 5,000 words also, 6,000 words also, no problem issue. Some of the settings also there, like I'll show you the settings. General settings. Okay, see the general settings. Site title, what is your site title? Tagline, changing your life, that is my URL, that is URL, my site URL, this is URL. Okay, date format, title format, and save changes. So see, in this condition, logo is here. In theme you can put it over here. How we can take this logo, this name, these are the logo, crypto, free download technology. How we can do? We'll go to customize. Okay, see, these are the pages and menus. These are the pages: market, new, about us, contact us. I have already shown to you. In pages you can write contact us, what is your contact, about us, what about you actually. Okay, this is about us, contact us, market news, policy also very important. Blogger area, crypto, these are the categories. Okay, categories means menus. So these are the, when you push, when you click the customize option upper side, this page will open. Okay, see, in this site identity is there, menus are there. See, menus I will show you. Menu 1, In menu 1, this I have created, okay, home, blogger area, this is blogger area, crypto market, free download, that I have made it, okay. How can we make? Add items, like here, add items, okay. So in add items, what we can do? Affiliate links, this also available, this is also available, okay. Add new page, you can write it over here also, okay. Like I'll write, okay, money or news, I'll write, okay, news, simple. See, news will be here, okay. And then publish, we need to do publish, then news will come here, this is coming, see, if you can see this, news is coming here, okay. It was not there when we added, then it is coming here, okay. Like this we can edit 2 or 3 things more, okay. So add new, remove also we can do, if we can choose here, okay, blog, then we can remove also, okay. So this is also very important. Then home, blogger area, categories are required, okay, because in this, when you are writing the post, what we have seen, the post is telling in which category it is coming, okay. When we are writing the post, so we have to categorize like this, okay. So logo, money tag, currency, changing this one, okay. So widgets, okay, it depends on the theme, what kind of theme you are choosing. So when you are choosing the theme, just check it whether it is available, not available. Content options, widgets, see, currency converter we have, crypto widget we have, okay. Homepage settings, what we have done, like this, okay. Site identity, our logo, this logo is very important, okay. So if you have a logo or you have in mind that which kind of display it should be, then you can put it over there. And remove logo, change logo, I can change it from here also, okay. And for the logo, you need to have one good 3D logo also, and or simple logo also, no problem is that, but it should be good, okay, because it depends on the this is your actually representative icon, okay. After that you need to do publish, okay. So this is all about the website, okay. So this is how we can make the website in 10 to 15 minutes, okay. This video is long, why? Because we have learned about the domain, we have learned about the hosting, how we can purchase domain, okay, hosting, then WordPress, okay. So you can make easily into 10 to 15 minutes, no problem will be there. If you have any question, please ask in the comments, okay. Thank you very much, friends, and please subscribe the channel, and please don't forget the bell icon, okay, because you have to keep update with my videos, okay. These type of technical videos I'll give in 1 or 2 days daily basis, okay. So thank you very much, enjoy the day.